Hi, this is Steve Moore with Nebraska Realty and Team Moore. And today we're talking about how do you choose the best lender for your situation. It's very tempting a lot of times to go online and just fill out information and talk to an online lender. What I'm going to do is tell you why a local lender might be the best choice for you. Number one, local lenders will give you more personalized service. The fact that you can get someone on the phone to talk to and deal with any situations that might arise is really important. As far as which local lender to choose, there's always the big box banks, but sometimes they do so much business, you're just a number with them. I like to go with either your local credit union or a local mortgage broker. As far as dealing with local lenders, they're going to know the true value of your home. They live in the community. They know what homes are going for, what they're selling for, and they're going to be able to work through any issues that arise as far as the value and the cost of your home. You'll also find that local lenders are great at sticking to timelines. When you need to get an appraiser on site in a timely manner, if you have a deadline because your seller is buying a house and you have to close on a certain day, it's always good to have a local lender who's going to stick to that timeline and get you to the closing table on the day that you need it. Also, dealing with a local lender keeps the investments local, creates jobs in your local community, keeps the money here, and that's going to be very important in smaller communities and even in larger communities. Also, don't think that just because it's a big online lender or a big bank lender that they're going to have better rates. A lot of times your local mortgage companies and credit unions are going to have better rates for you. Also, it's important to remember that if you're checking for rates, every time you check for a mortgage over the span of 30 days, it's only one inquiry on your credit. So it might lower your credit score 3 to 5 points, but you can check with 4 or 5 different lenders and it's still only one inquiry. It's not going to ding your credit every time that you check for a new rate. So take the time to shop around, find a deal that's best for you. Another important thing is that local lenders oftentimes have better deals. Maybe they can help you out with some closing costs. Maybe they can help you out with appraisal fees or lowering your interest rates. So ask those questions. Look for the best deal that's right for your situation. Also, local lenders are there to lower the stress of buying and selling. And the reason for that, again, is there's someone to talk to. It's not just somebody who's in another state who's processing the loan. You're generally going to talk to the same person from start to finish, and you'll be able to talk to them on a regular basis if you have questions. Most importantly, talk with your realtor as far as who it is that you should be talking with. Most realtors will have 2 to 3 to 4 different lenders that they've worked with on a regular basis. They trust them. They know they're going to get the job done. So call Steve Moore or Team Moore, and we'll help you through this process.